Take a look at the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.